Hello, good morning. It's a cold morning today, but I just wanted to show our flowers. Dami na. Although, itong roses need to deadhead. Dami nang nahulog. Look. Lamig today. Ayan, the knockout. Your Shasta Daisy has bloomed. Asiatic, ang ganda ng color. And our cornflower, laki. Laki ng flowers. And then we have petunias here at bottom. And Shasta daisies again. Dami talagang flowers. Then more buds to open. And here, Asiatic lily again, or I don't know if it's oriental lily. Pero yan yung mga nakain last year na hindi namin maabutan mag-bloom. Laging buds pa lang kinakagat na. And here's one to open. And here the coreopsis. Open na din. Our lavender. And my daisies. Ay, daisies. Tama? Ay, daisy nga ba? Here, Asiatic lily. Na hindi ko transfer from the pot dahil kinakain. Yan, blooming then. They survived the winter in the pot. And then here are my tomatoes. Sabi ni Mommy, I need to separate them or else they will not bear tomatoes. And our rose cutting, so happy. Dami ng leaves. There. Although iba walang leaves, I don't think mag-survive. At least, ang dami. Ayan, dami ng leaves. And here's another Montauk daisy. Dalawa yan from cuttings. And then here, our little dahlia. Transfer ko rin yan para lumaki. And here's the tuberous begonia. So, meron namang tumubo. I think only one. Or more. Hopefully more. Tatlo dapat yan eh. So, naman ko yung iba. Hopefully. Ang lumimik kasi ulit. And ito yung unang-unang nagkaroon ng dahon na tuyo. But hopefully, it will bounce back. And my sunflowers. There. Tapos yung tinransfer kong sunflowers. Okay din sila. Here. There. And the dahlia. May buds na. Our blue boy ba to? Blue boy dahlia. Yes, buds. Yan. And ito, gugupitin ko na sana. But it has seeds. There. Seeds na, ano nga ba tawag dito? Forgot. Lupin has seeds. And this one, the Brunnera, nag-flower siya. Okay, that's it for now. It's so cold here outside. For June. It's June 24, our parents' anniversary. And it's so cold. Okay, I just wanted to look here pala. Just one more look. At our... Okay, it's so cold. Okay. That's it for now. Very cold morning. It is a cloudy morning, and look at our Shasta daisy, fully blooming, all blooming. Still waiting for the dahlia and the sunflowers. My clematis, I have to train that, attach it to the trellis. Just wanted to show here the front garden here on the left side. Our hydrangea. The ones that I bought on clearance last year. And the eucharis. Since it's been raining, they've been growing. And my balloon flower, it's blooming, but it is smothered by the hydrangea that we transferred here. And this is the other balloon flower. So lots of buds. And then my geraniums. It has more leaves. A lot of leaves. And buds are starting to form. It's a little bit late. Where are those buds? There. Can't find it. Where is my finger? There. The buds. Here. There. So hoping or waiting for the flowers. And this, my begonia. It has flowers, but it always starts at the bottom, in the center. Here, I think the big ones are yellow. So, and then this one, I don't know if it should be color red. So no buds yet for this one. And our hydrangea over there, it's wet. The grass is a bit wet, so that's why I don't want to walk there yet. But there, our hydrangea. One hydrangea is blooming. And also our coreopsis. But they're all facing that way because the sun is that way. And then the other begonia, hydrangea. There, it's blooming. There's another clearance that I bought last year. And look at that euchera. It has grown big. And our yarrow. There, yarrow. The true bloom. This is I think the true passion. Has buds. But no, it has not opened yet. And then our red marble hibiscus. Look at that. Very nice foliage. Leaves. Purple leaves. And look at our other true bloom. I think that's true friendship. Yellow rose. There. And this one is the red and white from Costco. So there are buds. And I'm seeing the red and white pattern of the flowers. And this yarrow has really grown big. I don't know why it has grown big. Maybe more sunshine. Because the other one is not as big. That one. I planted them both at the same time. And I think they were the same size last year. This one has grown big. And our red cone flowers. There. So many buds still to open. And the hopscotch has grown bigger. That's it for now. In the morning. In the front. And this one is the other. Our, I don't know, window box or box. There. This is perennial. Okay. I think this one is a weed. I have to remove that. Okay. And these are my Asiatic lilies. I think the bee something. They have bloomed. So nice. Yellow, golden yellow. See that? Lots of blooms. And the other one, a little bit smaller. There. And my sunflowers. They're growing. And my other sunflowers here, the one I transferred, also growing. And I think the chipmunk is disturbing the soil again. I don't know what they're looking for, nuts. And this one, what do you call this? The marigolds. They're growing. And my dahlias. My dahlia. The buds. This is the bud. That's supposed to be the one that's purple. And that is my begonia. They're not getting bigger. And I have to deadhead those rose bushes. My rose, dianthus, red dianthus, still blooming. And that is the coreopsis, golden coreopsis, the other kind of coreopsis. I'm also happy with that. Very nice flowers. And the Shasta daisy. And our, I don't know if this is Asiatic or Oriental lily. I think it's Asiatic, but it's just big. So good thing we're able to let it bloom this year, because last year we couldn't. Every time a bud appears, it will be gone. It will be eaten. So this year it's different. So it's really good. And then another set of Shasta daisy. And then the other rose from Costco, supposed to be white. It has a bud. I'm waiting for it to show what the flower looks like. That one, a bud. And then this one has grown big. They're cornflowers. And this one is the last of the Asiatic lily, the pink. And what else to show? There. It's a wet morning. So this is our hostas. Hosta. And I still need to separate my tomato plants. So these are all five. And I was planning to leave it all in this pot, but my mom says I have to separate them or else they won't bear fruit. And I'm just happy to show that our rose cuttings have grown lots of leaves there. Although some I don't think they are surviving, like the yellow one. The one that bloomed yellow before, it did not take. And the one that had original leaves also dried up. This one. But this is good. This is good. I don't know this one, but it has potential. This one, I don't know, but it's still green. And then this one, it's taking its time to grow. Maybe it needs more sun. This is the non-stop tuberous begonia. It's supposed to be 3, but there's only one that's sprouting. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Very nice.